I've been craving chocolate croissants for too long. And I was going to make them like make the dough and like make everything from scratch, and then I realized how long that takes, and I was looking at recipes and some of them are like 13 hours long because you gotta chill it for like 12 hours. I couldn't do that. So I'm cheating, and I just bought dough and I'm gonna unroll them, and yeah. So, we're driving to Target. She's driving to Target because I wanted to vlog and I can't vlog and drive at the same time.
Why not?
So, I've been craving chocolate croissants for like, it's probably been more than 4 days. And I was gonna make them from scratch. Oh, that was the windshield wiper. I was gonna make them from scratch, and then I watched a tasty video with Alex, and it took like 3 days to make them. And I don't have the patience right now. I just want to eat them. I'm sure I'll do that eventually, but right now I'm just gonna take the easy way out. So I'm gonna go buy some chocolate chips. Organic chocolate chips. Yeah. Oh, you can see me back there. Ah. All right. So we're home. Let me give you a little haul of. We bought ink and stuff, but that's not important. We got some organic semi-sweet chocolate chips. I was gonna get the little like they're not chocolate bars, but they're little chocolate like chunks, but these were cheaper. I got 2 of those just because I want to make these again, so I can't function. And some crescent rolls. Woo! We gotta eat dinner before I make these, so yeah. Alright, let me pop my hair up. I'm so scared that my phone is gonna fall where it is. Alright, my hair is up. I'm gonna put some tin foil on just like a baking sheet. Like I don't know, a pan. Let's open up the little croissant. I'm always afraid of this. Ma?
Yeah?
Oh, I heard walking. Oh. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
I wasn't on your view, was I?
I don't know. Oh. Please. It's not working. Oh, it worked. Okay. All right. Let me wash my hands. So I have my dough here. I'm just going to take it on my pan and unroll all of it. And then I'm just going to separate these little things. Someone called me and interrupted me, but I just ripped one and I'm just... Okay. So. Okay, right now I'm going to take some chocolate chips. These are just like Target chocolate chips. They're organic, semi-sweet, and I already opened them because I wanted to eat some. And I'm just going to drizzle them on. I'm not putting too many chocolate chips because I don't want it to be like too much chocolate. That's fine. Alright, so I put my chocolate chips on, and now I'm going to roll them. And my mother is filming and she's not getting paid. So let's roll them. Are you ready, Freddie? I ripped some of them. How do I wrap? How do I do it? Do I do
The little edge.
I do the small one first? No, I don't.
You don't?
I think you do the big one first. Let's see.
I've never made them. I don't remember. Oh, we got it.
Ah! The chocolate's falling out. Oh. You're having the best time.
I should be a photographer.
This would be
Videographer.
videographer.
Well, both.
I mean, yeah, look at that talent.
Mm-hmm.
Look at those hairy arms I have, too.
Yeah, okay.
They're getting sticky because this is hot underneath.
Did you preheat it?
I threw the package on. I didn't even look at the instructions. So.
Wow.
Ah! This is just terrible. Okay. All right. So I just put my oven on at 375. I just put my oven on at 375, and I'm gonna let that preheat, and then I'm gonna shove them in for 12 minutes.
Shove them in, shove them in. I wonder why I made it like that. So cool.
I don't like them like that.
John, I know you're standing at the door. Open up. I have another box.
So I finished them. They look really good. My mom's eating them, but I feel like she doesn't like them. She told me she does, but I feel like she doesn't.
Wow.
Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. It was pretty simple. I just thought it would be fun or funny to watch me cook. Yeah. I'm in the garage now. I'm just, ooh. I thought I saw a spider. Sorry about that. Ooh, fridge lighting. Hello. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. They literally taste, ooh, excuse me, so good. And they're super simple, and I basically cheated when I made them because I didn't really make them. I just put chocolate in them. But I will definitely try to make, I will definitely try to make them from scratch and like make the dough and everything, but that will be a process. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. Otherwise, that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah.